Good morning to one and all. Today I am going to tell you about operating system and my name is Sharmila Mumtaz. What is an operating system? An operating system is nothing but a program that acts as an intermediate between user of a computer and a computer hardware. The person who uses the computer is known as the user of a computer and the computer itself is known as a hardware. What are the goals of an operating system? The goals are to execute the user program and make solving user problem easier. Make the computer system convenient to use. Use the computer hardware in an efficient manner. So what are the components of computer? The computer is divided into four components. They are the hardware, operating system, application program and the user. Hardware is nothing but the basic computing resources, that is the CPU, memory and the I/O devices. What is an operating system? The operating system, it controls and coordinates the use of hardware among various applications and the user. What is an application? Application, it defines the way in which the system resources are used to solve the computing problems of the user, that is the word processor, compiler, web browser, database and the video games. The user, the person who uses the computer is known as the user, that is the people, machine and the other computers. This is the structure of the computer. Here we have the hardware, software and the user, or the here software is again divided into the application program and the operating system. Now the types of operating system. The types of operating systems are batch operating system, multi-programming operating system, multi-processing operating system, multitasking operating system, distributed operating system, time-sharing operating system and the real-time operating system. Now coming to the batch operating system. Batch operating system. Here batch means a group. Batch operating system access is given to more than one person. That is, they submit their respective jobs to the system for execution. Here each person executes one job. So as the jobs, the system puts all the jobs in a queue. And from the queue we will take the outputs of the job as a first come first serve. So the jobs are executed one by one. The user collects their respective output when all the jobs get executed. So multi-programming operating system. Multi means more than one programming. So multi-programming is nothing but is an extension to the batch operating system. Here the CPU is kept always busy. Here the process in multi-programming operating system, the process needs two types of system timings. One is the CPU time and the other is the I/O time. In multi-programming environment, when a process does its I/O, the CPU can start the execution of other processor. Multi-programming improves the efficiency of the system. So this is the diagram of the multi-programming system. So here the more than one program A, program B, program C we can see. So here that more than one program is executed. So these programs are done. It increases the efficiency of the CPU also. Multiprocessing. Multiprocessing, more than one processor are present in the system, which can execute more than one process at the time. This increases the throughput. Due to multi-processing system, each processor performs certain tasks. They can be distributed among the several processors. This increases. If one processor fails, then the task can be given to the other processor. As several processors are there, more work can be done in less time. So here this is the diagram of multiprocessor system. Here we can see we have more than two processors, CPU1 and CPU2. So work is done. If one processor fails, the work can be done by the other processor. Multitasking operating system. The multitasking operating system is an extension of the multi-programming operating system. It allows users to perform more than one computer task at the same time. The operating system is more suited to support multiple users. The multitasking operating system has well-defined memory management. So in multiprocessing tasking operating system, we can do simultaneously the word, web browser, or email, or we can listen the music. So more than one task is done at the same time. Next, coming to the distributed system. Distributed means the name itself indicates we are distributing the operating system. The distributed operating system is not installed on a single machine. It is divided into parts, and these parts are loaded on different machines. A part of the distributed operating system is installed on each machine to make their communication possible. Here in distributed operating system are very large, so as similar to the network systems. So we have to take care of the different network protocols. So this is the structure of the distributed operating system. Real-time operating system. Here the real-time operating systems are mostly oftenly used by the military applications. If you want to, for example, if you want to drop a missile, then the missile is supposed to be dropped with a certain precision, with exact which location. This all will come into the real-time operating system. In real-time operating system, maximum utilization of devices and the systems are done. Real-time operating systems are very costly. So here in real-time operating systems, we are using number of devices, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and the timings, everything we have to maintain. Here task scheduling, resource management, and the files, we have to read it. Next, coming to the time sharing operating system. Time sharing operating systems are very difficult and expensive to build. Here in time sharing operating system, data transmission rates are very high in comparison to other methods. Here the security and integrity of a user programs are loaded in a memory, and data need to be maintained as many as users access the system at the same time. So this is the structure of the time sharing operating system. So we have many users using the CPU performing their tasks. Thank you and all.